my name is Madison Morse. This is my prototype for Unit 5 of CEP 817. To give a summarization of my problem of practice in my secondary English classroom, discussions are meant to be student-driven, but in reality, only a small group of students regularly participate. This problem affects students who are less confident in speaking in front of the whole class and might need more time to process their ideas, or perhaps do not see themselves as somebody who is good at speaking English. This means that these students often miss crucial time to participate in group discussion. And from my own observations, this is not a lack of effort from the student's point of view, but a structure issue. I have created a lesson for my students to participate in a group discussion, which is for my 9th grade English class regarding Romeo and Juliet from William Shakespeare. And students are going to have a small group discussion with this. We are going to focus on whether or not Romeo is actually in love or if he's just being dramatic and impulsive. We start off with discussion norms, and then at the end, students will be able to self-assess. So for establishing norms, I explained to them how discussion norms are the basic rules and expectations for how students should communicate with one another and listen to each other. Phones should be put away, as should headphones, and you should give the speaker your full attention, listen and respond respectfully, wait your turn, and stay on topic. For the activity of questions around the room, students will be moving around the room and reading a question that is assigned to the poster that they start with. Somebody will read the question and then they will all take turns responding. After discussing, students are required to write one consolidated response on their handout for that question. For timing, students will have 2 minutes to read the question and discuss with their group, and then 1 minute to come up with their response. This is the worksheet where students are required to work as a group to write one consolidated response. Those responses, once again, are in regards to Romeo and Juliet. Students are graded individually based on whether or not they used evidence when they spoke, if they spoke, listened to their partners, and if they wrote a response on the worksheet. Back to that group worksheet. At the bottom, there is a group reflection. They have to tell me what they think is their strongest response, what pattern or theme they noticed upon the questions, and one thing they think their group can improve upon if we do this again next time. Thank you for viewing. My name is Madison Morris, and this was my prototype for CEP 817.